Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So, we've been seeing a lot of intense, almost theatrical makeup looks dominating the runways lately. Think bold blues and dramatic blushes. But here's the thing, and this is what really excites me. The real world, the streets, the everyday beauty lovers, are taking these ideas and making them totally wearable. And that's what we are diving into today. 3 super breezy spring makeup trends that are actually achievable and, dare I say, fun to experiment with. First up, let's talk blue eyeshadow. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Blue? Isn't that a bit much? But honestly, blue has this incredible history in makeup. We are talking Elizabeth Taylor in Cleopatra, all the way to the iconic Kate Moss rocking a blue smoky eye back in the 90s. It never truly left. What makes this trend so compelling for spring 2026, in my opinion, is how versatile it is. It's not about a harsh, disco ball blue. It's about finding that shade that genuinely brings you joy. My personal take on this is to use a smaller brush for a really seamless blend, and then just a touch of mascara to keep it looking effortless. Some pros even suggest taking that blue pigment right up to the brow bone, or using a lighter, icy blue as a cool top coat. It's about playing with it, not being afraid of it. Next, we have muted blush. This is where I think the real magic of soft, diffused makeup lies. We are seeing blush applied from the apples of the cheeks and blended all the way up towards the temples, creating this gorgeous, lifted effect. What I find so fascinating about this is how it ties into a monochromatic look. Imagine pairing that soft blush with a similar tone on your lips and a dewy base. It's so cohesive and sophisticated. In my opinion, blush is one of those products that really dictates the mood of your entire face, and this shift towards muted, pastel tones is just chef's kiss. It's about creating a subtle flush, a healthy glow, rather than an overt statement. It feels very grown-up and chic. And finally, let's get into the buffed red lip. Red lips are timeless, obviously, but the way we are approaching them this spring is what's new and exciting. Forget those super sharp, defined lines. This trend is all about a soft, diffused edge, almost like you've just kissed someone. Makeup artists have been mastering this by lining the lips, then gently buffing out those lines with a brush, and then applying the lipstick. The real trick, though, is to gently pat your finger over the lipstick to really work the product in and create that blurred effect. What makes this really interesting is how it instantly makes a bold red feel more approachable and lived in. It's the perfect way to shake things up if you're usually a nude lip person, but still want that pop of color without feeling too done. It's effortless glamour, and I am here for it. So, those are my top 3 breezy spring makeup trends. What do you think? Are you going to try any of these out? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty insights.